Okay, hi, here's your writing lesson today for lesson 8. Okay, yesterday we talked a little bit about writing. You had to write we started drafting our persuasive essays. So you started writing Amaria. You started writing in your writing notebooks yesterday your drafts, okay, based on your topic and then your opinion on the topic. Today, what we're going to focus on is researching. So before we start researching, I want us to just quickly review the elements of an opinion. Remember, in your opinions draft, you should have had an introduction, a body, a conclusion. Now it's time for source. Ms. Yusuf, why is there a source? Source means when you have a fact, you have to find the answer to that fact somewhere, and you have to source where you found the answer. Do you understand? So that's what we're going to be focusing mostly on today. So, opening this back up. So let's look back at our example. So his persuasive text was why dogs are the best pets. He started off his story by saying, do you have a pet? I have a dog. I believe that dogs are the best pets. On the second paragraph, he started to write things or statements about dogs. There were no real facts on the second paragraph. On the third paragraph, there was facts. He had facts there. Facts are things that you can prove. An opinion is how you feel. Okay? So he has facts on page 3. He says dogs are usually very smart animals. That's a fact. He found that information from this book over here where it says sources. He found that information in the book called Why Dogs Make Good Pets. That's a fact. It says dogs can learn many tricks. They can also be trained carefully to obey their owners. Those are facts. He found those facts in the book Train Your Dog. That was written back in 2018 by this author, I.N.G. Sean. Okay? So then, and then his fourth paragraph is he's concluding it. He's wrapping it all up, right? And he's making it sound good. So let's look at the research notes. I passed this out. It says research notes. Everyone should have one. My question. So let's see how he did his. His question was, why do dogs make good pets? He found that fact from the book. People need exercise. Dogs need exercise. And then fact in my words, what are the facts? Dogs can help people stay active. So he rewrote the fact in his own words. He didn't write people need exercise, dog needs exercise. He rewrote that fact in his own words. Remember, we talked about the source. Is it primary or secondary? A secondary source would be like a magazine or a newspaper. So Why Dogs Make Good Pets, the author was D.J. Clark. The date, it was written in 2015, and then this is how they cited it. Now it's your turn. Gather sources for information, then use the writer's notebook, page 3.7, to record your notes. So what we're going to do today is you're going to write down one question you have about your topic. Just one question. Where it says my question, you're going to write one question. And then we're going to find the answer. I'm going to help you find the answer either on the internet or in a book. Okay? And then you're going to rewrite that fact in your own words, where it says fact in my words. You're going to rewrite that fact in your own words. And then I'm going to show you how to source it. Sourcing is very easy. You just write the title of the article we found, the author, the date, and then we're just going to rewrite it like this citation form. And I'll show you how to do that. It's not very hard. It looks complicated, but it's not, I promise. So this is what we're working on, research notes. We're going to write our own question, one question today, based on our topic. Then we're going to find the fact from the book, fact in words, title, author, citation. Now, as you can tell, how many Miss Yusufs are there in here?
One.
Is there more than one students in here?
Yeah.
Yes. So, Miss Yusuf, while I'm waiting my turn for you to help me find the answer to my fact, to my question, what do? You're going to finish writing your draft from yesterday. Miss Yusuf, I already finished. No, you didn't. There's no way you finished. When you write an essay or a paper, it takes you more than 10 minutes. Why? But I'm a master writer. Because you need to be thinking. It's not about writing fast. It's not about quickly answering the question. It's about adding detail. It's about persuading them, really making them believe your opinion is the right one. You're really trying to make the reader believe so. So if you think you're done, and you think, you know, this is the best that I can do, and this is all that's going to come out of me, I need you to sit there and reread your paper. Read it again. See where you can add stuff, where you can make a better point, what you can add, what can you take off, what sounds silly, what can be changed. That's what you're going to do as you're waiting on me to call you to help you research the answer to your question. So, step 1. First thing we're going to do right now is we're going to write a good question on our topic. You're going to write that right here. Step 2. Once you've already written the question, you're going to work on your draft. If I see you working on your draft again, then I know you've already had their question. Step 3, Ms. Youssef will call on the people that are working on their draft because she knows that people working on their draft have already wrote a good question on this paper. She will call them to help them research. Do you understand what we're doing today? Yes. Okay, my onliners, you can research safely in books that you have around the house, or you can ask your parents to help you research online to help you find that answer to your question. And make sure you write it down. Write it on your own words and then source it. When you source, it would be very helpful if you had this poster up. Where is it? No, not this one, not this one. This one. And I printed it out and gave it to you, Rosalind and Gabby. But Haney, I probably didn't, but it looks like this. So if you need this, you should pause the video now. Okay. And if anyone else needs it, you can go ahead and pause and just use this. This is going to help you cite. All right, guys. Have fun learning, and I'll see you later. Bye.